What's going on, guys? David here with you, bringing you another quick appliance repair tip about self-clean mode. So, with the holidays around the corner, there's a lot more baking that goes on and takes place, especially this time of the year. With that being said, a lot of your ranges offer the self-clean mode. And what happens is when you activate the self-clean mode on your oven range, the temperatures have to exceed to a certain point in order for it to clean itself. And these temperatures can range in between 500 to 900 degrees. And what happens is this causes a lot of strain on your bake element, and that shortens the life of your bake element. So coming from an appliance repair technician's perspective, I recommend staying away from self-clean mode. The best thing that you can do is every time after you cook, make sure you wipe down your oven, of course after it cools down, to keep it clean. So this is David with DC Appliance Repair, bringing you a quick tip on your appliances. If this is your first time here, go on and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave me a comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video.